Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add car key to Google Wallet. Adding a car key to Google Wallet is straightforward, but requires a few important steps. First, remember that Samsung phones do not support digital car keys in Google Wallet. You'll need Samsung Wallet instead. Supported brands like Audi, BMW, Hyundai, Kia, Genesis, Honda, Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, Tesla, and more, but not every model qualifies, so always check your specific year and trim. If your manufacturer sends a key setup email, open it in your Pixel phone, tap Add to Android, and follow the on-screen instructions. Alternatively, you can initiate pairing directly inside your car by going to the dashboard settings, selecting digital key setup, and placing your phone on the NFC pad. Enter the pairing PIN, complete the process, and your digital key will appear in Google Wallet. From there, you can unlock, start, and manage your car key like a regular wallet pass. For added convenience, you can also set up multiple users or backup keys if your manufacturer supports it, ensuring you always have access when your phone isn't nearby. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.